Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Suhailah Binti Mohd Zamrin. Today I would like to briefly explain the idea behind my research on the analytical investigation of algebraic function of field structure. My research focused on algebraic functions, which are functions defined by polynomial equation over a field. Most classical studies look at this function over the real or complex number. However, algebraic function can actually be defined over many different field structures. So, the main idea of this study is to understand how changing the field affects the analytical behavior of algebraic functions, especially their local behavior. There are three main objectives in this research. First, I aim to establish a clear field theoretic framework for defining algebraic functions. Second, I investigate how different field structures influence analytical behavior, such as stability and local properties. Finally, I identify the field conditions under which algebraic functions still exhibit well-defined analytical behavior and also highlight the limitation when these conditions are weakened. This research showed that analytical behavior is not always universal and may change when classical field assumptions are relaxed. It strengthens the connection between algebraic definition and analytical properties and provides insight for students and researchers in algebra and analysis. Previous studies show that algebraic functions are closely connected to field theory and function field extension. Classical analytical methods work well over real and complex fields. However, recent research highlights that when analytical concepts are extended to more general fields, new limitations appear. This gap motivates a broader analytical investigation. This study adopts a qualitative and theoretical approach and is conducted in three phases. The first phase involves reviewing fundamental concepts in algebraic functions, field theory, and analytical framework. The second phase examines analytical behavior across different field characteristics, including characteristics 0 and non-zero. The final phase synthesizes and compares findings to address the research objective. In conclusion, this study highlights the importance of field structure in determining the analytical behavior of algebraic functions beyond classical settings. Thank you.